My role at Experian is really looking at accelerating time to value, both for our customers and also ourselves to bring the revenue sooner. When we look at credit lending today, the market is exploded globally. And so we really needed to be able to scale, but also we needed to be able to enable credit decisions for our customers, the lenders, and for their end consumers faster. We found that globally, our average onboarding times could be months or potentially even, more than a year. The impact of this was that the lending requirements of our customers could change in that time. We even at times would lose customers because, it would be such a painful and protracted process. When I joined Experian, I needed to look at how I could scale and build a team to actually deliver this. And so UST were an obvious choice because they were a strategic partner and because I knew that they'd be able to scale for us quickly. I also knew, they had a very strong presence within, certain areas of the globe where resourcing was very affordable, like India, for example. So the concept for all of this work had 3 layers. Automation, that's the bottom layer, that's the robotics, that's where things are being automated to perform the tasks that we do that are repetitive. And then we look at orchestration. So we say, we need to understand how all of those tasks get connected together. And so the digital layer was all about showing someone visually the things that were being automated, how those things all connected together so that they could see the sequence and understand that. So this 3-layered approach really allowed us to bake everything together, build trust and confidence from people, and really deliver things incrementally as well. We can't afford to stop and wait for things, and UST always, again, being a strategic partner, a number of things are in place to make that easy. The process orchestration was with a product called ServiceNow, and again, they had a ServiceNow practice, so lots of capability and individuals with those skills and accreditations that we needed to be able to do that development work within our organisation. And then again, at the digital layer, we needed people with those skills to create the web interface. And again, UST brought those. They are very flexible, they're very responsive, so they'll listen to feedback. If I say something's not working, they'll listen and we'll discuss, but they're ready to change and to try something different if we need to. The impact is huge. We set out looking to accelerate client onboarding, and actually we've reached now a 96% acceleration for the onboarding of clients to one of our products. What that's allowed our strongest markets to do is sell far more product capability than they sold before. If I give you an example, in Brazil, they were looking to grow by 300% within a couple of years of us starting this work. And actually they're going to hit those targets about 6 months early. So our clients talk about the complicated spaghetti of client onboarding. This is game-changing for them. The fact that we're accelerating things, bringing the whole solution together and creating a digital interface for them to experience client onboarding is exactly what they need. Client onboarding actually has a material impact, not just for us and our customers, the lenders, but for their end customers, you and I, the consumers of financial products. It's the difference between us getting a decision straight away and maybe tomorrow or maybe next week or even a few weeks down the line. So the car to get the new job, the mortgage at the rate you can afford rather than, a few £100 a month more. And these are material impacts for end consumers, and that's what we're having an impact on with the work we're doing.